So this is it. This is my project. Very old generator. The label says it's 1936. 1936 year issue of the generator. The engine itself somewhere from 1941 to 1951. I don't know really. I've got this engine in very good condition. It's been stored for years and technically no rust, no nothing. Just been a bit dirty. All I just did, clean it up, used a little bit of cheap spray to make it black out of green. And this is a radiator from the Mini Cooper, from the old Mini. Currently filled up with water, later gonna fill it up with antifreeze or something, proper coolant. Here's a muffler. It's a squared, but I built it myself. Made it the way mufflers on Toyotas are made. Works very good, very nice. Everything all original. I made this frame. Built this petrol tank. It's not petrol, sorry, diesel tank. About 20 liters diesel tank. I also use some rubber mountings. Sorry, it's already getting darker. Rubber mountings for the engine to suppress the vibration. It used to be mounted just directly to the frame, but I suspect this frame was used or designed for absolutely different engine, maybe for a Lister or something, and along the way the original engine was replaced with this one, and there are a couple of adapter plates, very roughly made, but I still use them. All I did just lift it up and made some rubber mountings. Here's some studs. So I wanna include into the construction some kind of shock absorber to prevent even more vibration, to suppress it. So it's gonna be a shock absorber that's gonna keep the engine from shaking during the start and stop, and also gonna include some sort of connecting rod with rubber inserts to keep the tension of the belt. Currently it's on a rubber mounting, so it's gonna compensate the tension of the belt on this side. Then I'm gonna build a frame, put it on wheels, and build a housing to reduce the noise. It's not that noisy as an air-cooled ones, but anyway, and everything will be fine. Thank you.